Oh, hello and welcome to the Tips and Tricks series. This is an update on the fuel filler video I made the other day. Somebody pointed it out in a comment to me. I forgot to mention it to you. If you look at the tether, there is this funny shape. It's there for a reason. I know I showed you just putting it like that, but that little clip there is meant to hook on to the bracket for holding the fuel cap. That was all I wanted to just bring you up to date on. I find that quite awkward to use, which is why I just put my fuel cap like that. Anyway, once again, needed to bring you up to date on that one. If you like the videos, please consider clicking like, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for watching the update on the fuel filler cap from the GR Sport.